There it is. All right, so I didn't sand this too much, so I'm gonna hit this real quick, and then we'll be set. Well, that didn't take much, and yeah, look at that. Let's figure out which side. I put a mark on the inside. Oh, there it is. I put a mark on the inside so I knew where it was going to go. Because once I painted it, yeah, okay. All right, let's tap it down. Yep. Let's go a little bit further, just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. That sounded more solid. Yeah, so we got a little bit of curl. I'll trim it out after we get everything all set and done. Let's put the wedge in.